Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to view or print transactions. So let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to view or print transaction, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to keep track of financial activities and transaction within a business. It allows businesses to monitor incoming and outgoing funds, ensuring accuracy and transparency in financial records. So, first, accessing back office. So, you go into the back office. So, we're ready here in back office. So, you can type the username and your password. So, type the username and your password. So, click this login and go to the setup. Locate this view or print transaction. So click this. So we're ready here in view or print transactions. So after that, select the type to view or print transaction. This selection allows user to specify the category of transaction they want to access within the system. For example, you can select this type. So for example, you can view the customer payment. So you can click this customer payment. So after that, as you can see, the customer payment, they have a number, the reference, the date, the print, and the gender ledger. So after that, you can proceed to the select print if you want to print the transaction. And you can click this to view the transaction. As you can see, they have the type, the number, the date, the total amount, the left to allocate this allocation. So you can click this to print. Then after that, as you can see, you can click this print. So this is the process on how view or print transactions.